Today I'm going to make some soap. Here I have the melt and pour soap clear. This is clear ya. Terus saya udah pesen cetakannya tapi belum datang, jadi kita bisa pakai cetakan ini. Saya lihat di video. Tadinya mau pakai yang besar tapi ini pakai yang kecil aja. Ini mau buat yang rasa citrus dan sama rasa madu. Madunya pakai ini, pakai wadah biasa dan dilapisi, nanti ada seperti madu. Nah, untuk warna kita pakai sedikit warna orange sama merah dan kuning. Sorry. Nah, tapi nanti kita ke warna makanan. Terus untuk wangi, ini ada lemongrass, peppermint, rosemary, tea, grapefruit, plus lavender, lemon, and cedarwood. Ini nggak tahu, I don't know. It's some of them. So I'm gonna mix and match, and I'll find out what's the best one to make honey scent. And this is of course from this. I'm gonna grate it and add a little bit of lemon and some other to create a good one. Okay, now the soap, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna make like half kilo, maybe this is a kilo, and we're gonna make just half kilo because this is, I think, small amount and this one small amount. So this is my first time, so we're gonna cut it into half and cut smaller pieces. It's kind of difficult cutting with one hand and holding a camera in the other hand. Wow. We turn on the fire and we put a little bit of water only so it will not bubbling up to my melt and pour soap, and we'll see how long it takes. 5 minutes it's already melted in 5 minutes. left. I don't think it's enough to make the second batch for the honey, so I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. And pour some honey. It gives the color, honey color, but I'm gonna add just tiny bit of color of orange and red. I gave 1 drop of brown and 2 drops of orange, giving the golden colors of honey. Now, put some of the, what could it be for honey? Well, I can be creative and I put some lavender and cedarwood. Okay, I have put already 3 drops of, and just a little bit of cedarwood. Oh. Goes under it and fold. I hope it doesn't go under it. And I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. See, it's done. It goes under it. Okay, so this one, it's from I just cut them into 3 and become their trays.